Hi, everybody. Let's do a little bit of some revision here. Okay, kindly tell us where you're watching this live broadcast from. Okay, so we'll do a number of some paper one questions right here. So just let me know as soon as you join where you are watching us from. Okay, so like the video, share, and yes, and let us know where you're watching this from. Okay. Are you able to get us loud and clear right here? Are you able to get us loud and clear? Watching from Serenge, Nakonde is watching. That's good. So, guys, are you preparing for your GCE? Are you preparing for your GCE? So, let me just do a little bit of a breakdown for your paper one. So, remember, I've said 2025. So, expect some questions of this nature in 2025. Don't think I'm giving you a leakage. It's not a leakage, but it's we know how exam questions are asked, so we are able to tell on how you can do this. Okay, so tell me where you're watching this from. I haven't been going live because of the internet issues. Okay, so before we do much, if you want to join our online classes, as usual, this is a number you can WhatsApp or call. You will be able to join our online classes. We offer online classes in mathematics, English, civic education, commerce, biology, RE, physics slash chemistry, which is science, the combination of physics and chemistry. So we do offer all those subjects. The other number that you can get in touch with us on is 0974 63 20 97. All right, so let me break down the paper one for you. What you need to know, when I come live like this, it means there's good news for you. So watch up to the end because I'm going to put up a promotion for few people. Make sure you watch up to the end, okay? All right, so in paper one, are you there? Are you there? Are you getting me? All right, so in paper one, mathematics, there is algebra. As usual, algebra. I like talking about algebra, but I won't start with algebra. I'll start with one of the last questions in paper one. Okay, so there is a question which comes like this. I want you to master this. Okay, they'll give you something like this, and then they do that. I hope you're able to tell what I'm about to do here. And then maybe they do this. I think you've come across a question like this. It doesn't miss in an exam. So you see something like that. And maybe here they say, okay, this is X, and then this is Y. And here it's point A, here it's point B. Have you seen? And then they give you a question. They say, okay, the diagram below shows a sketch of a graph. Y is equal to X power 2 plus 3X plus a 2. Have you seen that? They give you something like this. Okay, and then they say, passing through the point A and B. Have you seen the points A and B? From there, they ask you to find the coordinates of A and B. What are you supposed to do? So they are saying find the coordinates of A and B. What is it that you're supposed to do? What is it that you're supposed to do when you meet up something like this? Okay? So what you need to do here is to get the given graph, this equation here, and you're going to say X power 2 plus 3X plus a 2 is equal to 0. Don't get the Y, just copy what is where X is here and then say equal to 0. You're trying to find where it's passing, okay? You're trying to find where it's passing on the x-axis, right here and here. So don't write the y, just copy what is this side, and then say, solve this. So how do we solve this quadratic equation? You just need to solve the quadratic equation. When you get to know how to solve the quadratic equation, you're good to go. So I'll show you two ways. The first one, you can say, okay, I'll just say x, open bracket, close, open, close is equal to a 0. Have you seen the way I've done it? I've just written the brackets here, here, and then say equal to a 0. Now, what is it that you're supposed to put inside here? You can write x here, x there. You see, the letter that you're able to see, you put it here and here, the same letter. And then what is it that you're supposed to put here? What you're supposed to put here and here are two numbers. You think of two numbers, when you multiply them, they give you a 2. And those same two numbers, when you add them, they give you a 3. So look at this. I've got a 2 and a 1. These are the two numbers such that when I multiply them, 2 times 1, it will give me a 2. 2 plus 1, it will give me a 3. So these are the numbers I'm supposed to put here. Any order, if I want, I can put 1 here, meaning 2 will be right here. So when you put them inside like this, you now say x plus 2 is equal to 0, or x plus 1 is also equal to 0. So this is x is equal to negative 2, and then x there is equal to negative 1. You solve, okay? Are you okay up to here? Is it clear up to here? Let me check your comments. Let me know if it's clear. If it's not clear, let me know so that I explain for you. Okay. Sir, please, in my area network is bad. Oh, sorry, Ezron. Watching from Silverlist. That's good. Veronica, you are just outstanding. GCE, what about externals? Okay, considering? I think you're supposed to write considering. Okay, so what I'm doing right now, it can be applied to internals. It's just the name. It can be applied to internals. So, okay, let me just check. Is it clear up to here? Okay, one person is saying it's not clear. So, what is happening here is that you get this equation, okay? Where there's y here, ignore the y, just get what is here, and then you say equal to 0. Solve the quadratic equation. Any method of solving the quadratic equation, it's okay. You can use the quadratic formula, it's okay. Any method, it's okay. It's okay. So me, I'm showing you this so that you don't waste your time. It's allowed in an exam where you just write the brackets, okay? And then you write x here and x here. You think of two numbers, when you multiply them, they give you this. And when you add those same two numbers, they give you this. So those two numbers are 2 and a 1. So you write them here. When you write, you come and say this equal to 0, which is this one, or this also equal to 0, which is this one. And then you solve this equation. You have formed two equations. A 2 will cross the equal sign, it will be minus 2. And also a 1 here will cross, it will be minus 1. So these are the x values. So here, it's negative 2, 0, while here it's negative 1, 0. So the coordinates are negative 2, 0, this side, and then here negative 1, 0. Now, how did I know that? Okay, let me tell you this. When you find those numbers, they'll come and be in these positions. They will be moving with a 0, a 0. So you see negative 2, 0, negative 1, 0. But how did I get to know that negative 2 must be this side, 1 this side, negative 1 this side? It's because I followed which one is bigger between the two numbers. Negative 2 is smaller than negative 1. So it should be to the left-hand side. The bigger number should be to the right-hand side. So to the right-hand side, it's negative 1, which is bigger. Negative 2 to the left-hand side, it's smaller than negative 1. That's how I got to know which one to position. All right. Thank you so much. Okay. Let me also give you, okay, on the same, though I've cut, on the same. We're still on the same. So we found the coordinates, don't forget that. Now, the next question that they'll ask you is to find the coordinates of the turning point here. They'll say, find the coordinates of the turning point. coordinates of the turning point. For the turning point, just use the formula, okay? So for the turning point, we need the x-axis and the y-axis. Remember, this was x power 2 plus 3x plus a 2. So this is what we have. To find the coordinates of the turning point here, all what you're going to do is to say x is equal to negative b over 2a. That's a formula. X is equal to negative 2. Okay. X is equal to negative 2. X is equal to negative b over 2a to find the coordinates of the turning point. So you get now this equation right over here, okay? So you can see. Are you there? Okay. My internet here is showing that it's bad. Are you guys able to see? Are you able to see? My internet is showing that it's really bad here. Let me know if you're able to see. Let me know if you're able to see. All right, thank you so much if you're able to see. Let's continue. So, what is happening here? To find the turning point, you're going to say negative x is equal to negative b over 2a. So you're finding the x coordinate here. Now, if you see nicely, this is to the what? To the negative side, this point. So the x-axis here is a negative and the y-axis is a negative number. So you're just going to get what we have right here. And then your a, okay? Your a will be the number which is in front here where x squared is. So our a is a 1, our b is a 3. Have you seen the way it looks? A is a 1, b is a 3. We plug in. So x will be equal to negative what? X is equal to negative 3 over 2, and the 1 here, when you substitute, a is a 1, b is a 3, and this is giving us a negative 3 over a 2. I think that's it. That's the x value at the turning point. So the x value at the turning point, it's this one. So we found negative 3 over 2, comma. For the y value, you just substitute. You get this, put it where x is here and here. You solve. And that's how you get to find the y value. Okay. So could you tell me what y value are you getting? So I'm giving you this as an homework to try and comment the answer that you're getting. What is the y value which you're getting when you get this x value and then substitute it where x is here and here? You solve. What answer are you getting? That's what you're supposed to put here as the y value. So I'm leaving that for you. If you still don't know, you can WhatsApp me. You can WhatsApp me and I'll be able to guide you on 0969 17 5701. So the other question is this one. So we've got 9 minus 3x is equal to a 0. So we need to solve this question. Remember, I'm giving you random questions which you may meet in an exam. So 9 minus 3 power x. Find the value of x. So what is the value of x there? What is the value of x right over there? So you can let me know what answer are you getting. Can I see in the comment section what answer are you getting for the value of x? What answer are you getting? What answer are you getting? Let me see in the comment section the answer that you're getting. Tell me, what answer are you getting? What answer are you people getting on this one? Okay, I can see 2. Okay, I can see the value of x to be equal to 2. So for this one, you just say 9 is equal to 3x. I mean 3 power x. Minus 3 power x will cross the equal sign. It will be 3 power x. You balance the bases. This will be a 3 power 2 is equal to 3 power x. We know that 3 power 2 give us a 9. When the bases are equal to each other, you equate the powers. This simply means 2 is equal to x. This is how you're supposed to solve. Is it clear? Is this clear? Are we okay? We can go to the next question. Let me know if we can go to the next question. Are we okay on this one? Are we good to go? All right, so let's go to the next question. The next question here, for the next question, we've been given to factorize completely. So they are saying factorize completely. Factorize completely, we've got 3x minus a 3. So factorize completely 3x minus 3. What answer are you getting for that one? 3x minus a 3. What answer are we getting? What answer are we getting on this one? 3x minus 3. What answer are we getting? So for this one, we shall have a 3, open bracket, x minus 1. When we factorize, 3 into 3x is a 3. You remain with, it's x. And then 3 into negative 3, it's a 1. From here, we can, actually, I forgot a 2 here, power 2. So when there's a power 2 here, you shall have a 3, open, x plus 1, x minus 1, like this. This is how your answer is supposed to be. I hope this is what you're getting. We forgot a power 2 here. Do you now get it? Do you understand what we've just done here? Do you understand what we've just done here, right here? Are we okay on this one? Okay, so somebody's saying no. So what happens here is that you need to know how to factorize. You find what is common. A 3 is found here and here, so write it outside the brackets. So 3 into 3x squared, you shall remain with x squared. 3 into negative 3, it's minus 1. You now apply what we call difference of two squares. You're going to write this as x power 2 minus 1 power 2. So you find the square root of whatever is here. What is the square root of 1? It's a 1. You now write it as 1 power 2, because 1 times 1 will just give you a 1. From here, you now maintain this 3 here, and then you do the square bracket. You open here. You come and apply what we call difference of two squares, where you shall say x plus 1, x minus 1. What is here? Provided there's a minus here and the power 2 is like this, you write this, putting a plus here, and the same thing here is what we've just written inside, right over here. All right, guys, I think I have to end right over here. I just wanted to brief you that you may meet questions like this in your exam if you are preparing for a GCE 2025. If you want to join our online classes, you can please get in touch with us right over on this number or this other one. Okay? And please, I'm giving you an offer. Remember, I promised that I'll give you an offer this evening. So this offer will just be for 10 people. You are expected to pay a 50 kwacha only, the new members only, a 50 kwacha. So this offer is for 10 people. So the first, it's on first come, first serve. Make sure you make a payment of this if you've never experienced our teaching. On this number or this one, you share the screenshot of your payment. This is the amount you are expected to pay. 50 kwacha, 10 people only. Be the first one to make that payment and share the screenshot. In case you find that, in case the number reaches, which is 10, we will refund you. We'll refund you if or you pay when the first 10 people have paid, we'll refund you. So it's a 50 kwacha, only 10 people. So make sure, try your luck. You never know. So the MTN is 0969 17 57 01. The Airtel is 0974 63 20 97. Names will come as Jacob Sichamba. Remember, online classes is a 200 kwacha per subject monthly, but if you chance this offer, you pay 50 kwacha, share the screenshot. My team will respond back to you if you've qualified with that 50 kwacha to learn. If you don't qualify, they will refund you back. Thank you and bye-bye.